and welcome to Pedal Savings. My name is Rosie. I am a cash budgeter that uses the cash envelope method for her finances. Today we will be cash stuffing our envelopes and our wallet today. Okay, here's our cash stuffing sheet for this week. Before we start on this, we're going into our wallet and seeing how much leftover money we have. So spending has 0, eating out has 0, groceries has $20 left over. This will be rolled over into groceries this week. Gas has 0, buffer has $5, $6, $7, $8, $9. That will be going into savings challenges. So we had 29 left over, but 9 is going into savings. Now let's count our cash and make sure we have everything here. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 20, 40, 10, 8, 20, 30, 40, 5, 10, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, we got 210. Okay, now let's stuff our wallet. So eating out and spending is not getting anything this week. Groceries, we budgeted $70, so 20, 40, 60, 70 plus the other 20. Now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, $90 for groceries this week. Okay, but gas is not getting anything because we're going to the car dealership and looking at new cars probably today. I don't know yet. Okay, buffer gets 10, so 5. I know there's a nasty $1 bill. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wrong envelope. Okay. So now let's go into our long-term savings. Our long-term sinking funds. So Elizabeth is getting 50 today. So 20, 40, 60. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So she has 380 now. Maternity leave is getting 20. It only has a 20 because we spent the money. Car is getting 20. So now it has 100, 50, 70, 90, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 340, right? Yep. The 50s always get me. Okay, now that that's done, the rest is gonna be going into savings challenges. So let's do our 2026. We budgeted $10, but I'm gonna add $6 more into this one so that we could color in our $16. So let's cross that out and then put 16. So now this challenge has 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82. Okay, gonna skip this one and this one and this one and go into our scratcher. So we budgeted $17. So 10, 15, 16, 17. So now this one has 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. Okay, then the $5 challenge is just getting $5. Okay, and then sweet treats is getting $2. I'm just gonna put the $2 in. I'm not gonna add extra to it. Now, love letters, we're doing $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus $2. So we're putting in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 today. So we color in 3 love hearts. And then the rest of the cash is going into my $1 savings. So it's getting $3 this week. Okay, that's it for this video. I didn't make my March savings challenges yet, and I was going to do those as the giveaway item for this week's cash stuffing, but next week they will be ready and will be ready for the next cash stuffing. I think I just said the same thing twice in a row. Anyways, next week I will have the March savings items ready for the next cash stuffing video, so that when March comes you can get the March savings challenges. Oh, okay, I got 9 more weeks, guys, of this pregnancy, so we're in the home stretch now. Single digits. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.